Hey guys, it's Christina. Welcome back to my channel. So you didn't ask for this, but here I am with another video. So I went shopping recently at Target for basically self-care stuff. So a lot of people have asked me here, a little bit on TikTok, and mostly on here, what I use on my body. And obviously I've mentioned Bath and Body Works here and there. I don't always use Bath and Body Works, and I went on like basically a self-care shopping spree. I needed body lotion, body care, some soaps. I think I got soaps in here, mostly skincare. So this is just like a luscious self-care haul. So I'm gonna go through it. I honestly I don't think I spent too much, because if I would have bought all this stuff, say like at Ulta, I would have spent a lot more. This is just miscellaneous skincare and body care stuff. So let's get into it. First thing I bought, dish tin soap tin, because this is very important. As far as soap is concerned, I typically use the Nivea soft cream body soap. I also occasionally will buy soaps from Whole Foods. I really like Whole Foods soaps. I actually just bought some yesterday. I don't even know what brand this is. They're basically like natural soaps. I like the way they smell. They clean my body really good. This is by Pacha Soap Company. This is one of their salts, ocean scented soaps. Basically, when I get bar soap, I go for something that is more clean smelling. I don't want anything that's going to interfere with my scent of the day or my lotion of the day, or anything that's going to smell too strong, you know. I'll do like a whole body care routine soon, but soap tin, so important. I've actually been looking for the ones that they kind of like sell at Lush that's actually a good tin that closes, because I hate when my soap gets wet and stays wet. I always like rinse off my soap and leave it to dry. I'm like very OCD about keeping my soap pretty. Next, Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. So good. Haven't used micellar cleansing water in a while. I use this typically to take off my makeup. I will first remove my eye makeup with like an oil-based eye makeup remover and a cotton pad, and then I'll just take some micellar water and kind of run it over my face with a cotton pad, and then I'll go in and oil cleanse. I seriously keep adding steps to my skincare routine, and it just is getting longer and longer, but I feel like my skin looks good, so whatever. This is amazing. I love it. I bought it. This is a repurchase. Really, really good. Next thing, and it's all going to be out of order, I bought is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid. This is a repurchase. I use this, and I use the ordinary moisturizer with, I believe it also has hyaluronic acid. I'll put a picture of it here. I just switch back and forth between these two depending on what my skin needs. In the summertime, I tend to go more for this. It's a very nice, lightweight gel moisturizer. It sinks into your skin, plumps your skin, and I feel like it really hydrates your skin very, very well. I love it. It's so good. It's just like the Clinique Moisture Surge moisturizer, but obviously much more economical, and it works just as well, if not better, in my opinion. So the next thing is a new product that I saw this and I was like, let me try this. This is Micellar Water. This is by a German brand. I believe this is German. Mustela. And this is the no rinse cleansing water. It's a micellar water. It's all natural. It's supposed to be a lot more gentle on your skin. I saw this on TikTok. We will see how this works. It seems really nice. I like that it has a pump packaging. I also bought the body lotion, the baby care body lotion, but they are sold out, of course, at Target, because it's famous because of TikTok, but we'll see how this goes. I also bought the St. Ives Hydrating Face Moisturizer. It's the avocado moisturizer. I just want to try it. It's super cheap. Every now and then I'll try some stuff from St. Ives. A lot of their stuff is really good, really inexpensive, all natural, no parabens. I'm never disappointed. It's never mind-blowing, and I kind of have my staples, but occasionally I will buy some St. Ives things, and so we'll see how this goes. I've never tried that before. I bought the Pixi Glow Tonic 5% glycolic acid toner. I wanted to try something a little bit different. I've been using the ordinary glycolic acid toner for a while now. I really like it. I usually use it at nighttime before I put on my moisturizers and my serums and all that. And this one just seemed really nice, and I had really good reviews. I've never tried Pixi's skincare before, so hopefully I end up liking it. Next, I bought the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Body Gel Cream. Now, this was my thinking. I bought a couple of body lotions. I usually use a scented body lotion. Sometimes I'll use an unscented one. But when I use an unscented one, my thought process is I don't want to alter my fragrance of the day. I do this when I'm wearing really complex scents because I purchased a lot of niche perfumes. I've been wearing a lot of unscented body lotions a lot more because I really want to smell the complexity of the fragrance. Usually with some of my designer fragrances, especially the ones that are more linear, I'll do layering between like body lotions, especially from Bath and Body Works, Victoria's Secret, or even like natural brands, whatever you may, you guys probably know if you watch my channel, that sometimes I do layering. When it comes to really complex fragrances, I like something that has no scent, that just smells like clean skin, essentially. And this, I decided to try it because I like the moisturizer so much for my face. I thought, let's just put some hyaluronic acid all over my body. Let's get glowing and plump and gorgeous for summer. I like what this version for the moisturizer, the skin moisturizer, does for my skin. So hopefully I like this for my body. I'm very excited. That was on the pricier side. I want to say that was $8 or $9 for a body lotion that is kind of mid-range. I think it's not cheap like a Nivea or Jergens or whatever, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be worth it. I bought some more sunscreen. I typically use the CeraVe one. They were sold out, so I just bought the Up and Up brand. It's just the facial moisturizing lotion with SPF 30. I wear sunscreen when I go out in the summer. Typically I'm indoors because of work, but when I do go outside, I definitely don't want to get wrinkles. I want to stay looking 25 forever, even though I'm not 25. Definitely want to look good for the next 10, 20 years, and so sunscreen, baby, sunscreen. You gotta do it. All right, next thing, I got the Biore Charcoal Deep Cleansing Pore Strips. I know these aren't ideal to use on your skin, but I do use them on my nose occasionally. Love them. I do have a pore vacuum, but I feel like nothing does it like these. And especially on the days where I know I'm not going to be wearing a lot of makeup, and there's been a lot of days where I just don't wear foundation, I'll use this the night before if I feel like I'm not going to wear makeup the next day. My skin looks perfect. Like, that's usually where I have the most congestion, is around my nose area and kind of like right through here. And these just remove all the congestion, and then I look pretty close to flawless. Yeah, the pore strips, they work. Don't get the regular ones, get these charcoal ones. They work way better. Next, I got the Acure facial brightening scrub. It's an exfoliator. I ran out of my old exfoliator. I decided to try this. I've used lots of products from this brand. I do like it. Just haven't tried this exfoliator, so I don't know. I was in kind of a mood to try some new things. Typically, I stick to like CeraVe and Cetaphil and Garnier, but I thought, Acure, I haven't used something from them in a long time. Let's try their facial exfoliator. I got the CeraVe Acne Foaming Cream Cleanser. If you watched my channel before, sorry, the bag's bothering me. If you watched my channel before, you know that I used to struggle pretty much my whole life with acne. I still occasionally like to use something with benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid just to kind of keep my skin clear. I do occasionally get a breakout or two on my skin, and this seems fabulous. It's got 4% benzoyl peroxide. It's an acne treatment. So yeah, wonderful. Benzoyl peroxide works. It helps prevent pimples as well. So let's see how this goes. I typically love everything from CeraVe and Cetaphil. Mostly CeraVe. I think CeraVe is slightly superior to Cetaphil, but we will see how that goes. I bought this. Every summer I buy facial mist. I go crazy on facial mist, but my absolute favorite type to buy is rose water. Rose water is so good for your skin. It's extra refreshing. I just keep it in my bag, and when it's hot out, or especially when I get into like a hot car, it just feels so good to give yourself a mist of rose water. It smells good. It makes your skin glow. It hydrates your skin. It kind of cools you off as well. And this is amazing. You can use this as a toner. You can use this after your moisturizer. You can use this to set your makeup. It's all natural. This is by the brand Heritage Store. It's just literally rose water, free of alcohol and dyes. You can buy so many different brands, but I always tend, especially in the summer, to get mist, and my favorite has always been, for like the past few years, is just rose water. So I bought the Vaseline Intensive Care Soothing Hydration with glycerin, aloe vera, and Vaseline jelly Triple Hydration Complex lotion. Again, I just wanted a lotion with no scent to wear with some of my more niche fragrances or something with just a fresh, simple scent. This just has a very simple, fresh aloe scent, which I really like. It dissipates really quickly. I like this lotion. I like this lotion, especially for the summer. It's almost cooling to the touch and moisturizing. I'm assuming that the Hydro Boost from Neutrogena is going to be similar, but yeah, very, very good lotion. I think Vaseline has really good products, so let's see how that goes. This is a repurchase. This is the CeraVe Eye Cream. This is the Eye Repair Cream. This is a really, really, really amazing eye cream, like so underrated. And for the longest time, I would use really expensive under eye products, but now I just stick to the Ordinary and CeraVe, and my skin's been better than it ever has been. And this helps protect your skin barrier. I believe it has ceramides, it has hyaluronic acid, so it helps with the puffiness, it helps with fine lines. It's amazing. Just try it. I want to say it's around $10. It's a really good eye cream. Love it. The last thing in this bag, I can't believe we're here, is the Dove Nourishing Body Care Cream Oil Intensive Body Lotion. This is for extra dry skin. Not that my skin's extra dry, especially during the summer. I just like to be really hydrated. Like, I like my skin to be glowy and soft and pretty and look extremely healthy. And I don't know, this just seems really good. We'll see how it goes. It seems okay. I typically don't use a lot of Dove products. Occasionally I'll use like the Dove bar soap. And sometimes their hair care stuff, but this seems great. I've seen it on quite a few self-care YouTubers channels. It smells clean, basic, exactly what I need. And that's it, you guys. That's it from my little self-care haul. Let me know if you tried any of these products, what you think of them, and I will give you guys a review on my favorites very soon. I will talk to you in my next video. Please subscribe for more videos to come, like this video and share this video, and I will see you soon. Bye.